Hello everybody, I'm Yasir. With reference to our discussion about hydraulic fittings or hydraulic coupling, here we'll talk a special type of hydraulic coupling known as thread to connect coupling. This is Snap Tight 75 series and the brand is Parker. Why we are discussing this one? This is basically used in the power hose or in power hose connection of the injector head. As you can see in this picture, this particular fitting which is circled over here, this is basically the same coupling or same fitting which we are going to discuss. Okay, so like each coupling, this coupling also composed of two parts. The one is a female part, which is basically this threaded part. Okay, we can say threaded section, female part, and in this particular coupling, its specific name is nippler. If you see, yes, its code is 75 and 24. 75 is the series and is the nippler, and this last 24 is related to size. Later I will show you the picture. And this one is the male part which is called coupler. See, a 75C24. 75 is the series and C is the coupler, that is the male part, and 24 is the size. This 24 is equal to actually 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch, okay, 1.5 inch. I will show you the picture of this technical description. Okay, so here is this technical data sheet for this Snapdragon 75 series. This is available on the internet, so you can search and read if you want to read in detail. So but what we have to see is this section. Okay, see, here it is 75C12. Okay, so this is 75. Here you can see this is a series, and this C or N. Okay, this is coupler and N is nipple, as we already discussed. Okay, and our number was 75 and 24. So here if we see 75 and 24, this is equal to 1.5 inch. Okay, 1.5 inch. So this coupling which is installed in the injector head, this is basically 1.5 inch. Okay, now we'll see the internal section of this coupling. Here inside we have this o-ring to provide the sealing mechanism. Okay, and this mechanism which I'm just pressing, this is used to lock the hydraulic oil when the coupling is not connected. Okay, so it have a spring mechanism that when this coupling is not connected, the hydraulic oil will be locked, and when this coupling will be connected with the other coupling, that is this female section will be connected with the male section, this part will be pressed back. Okay, and a communication will be built up. Okay, now this o-ring will actually seal around the face of this male section. Okay, then ultimately a seal will be built up. Okay, another point to notice in this coupling is this hole. Okay, here you can see on this male section there is a hole. So what is the purpose of this hole? This hole is basically used to see the tightening of the coupling. Once this coupling is fully tightened, you can see the gap inside is completely finished. Okay, both the faces of male and female section are matched, and that's why we can use this hole as